Are you sick and tired of Joy-Con drift? You know, that annoying thing when you're trying to play Animal Crossing and you just walk left. You try to fish and it just makes you yeet to the other side of the map. Can't control it even if you take your hands off the Joy-Con. Well, it gets super frustrating and you just want to yeet it straight out of a window and never see that bad boy again. But nah, don't do that. You should repair it instead. And this video is going to show you how. Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to TomOldy. Today we are going to be repairing the Joy-Con joystick. So I'm going to be replacing the joystick with a new one I found on eBay. I got it for around £10, I think. I'll just show you a couple of them here you can buy on eBay. Most of them should be fine, but do be careful when buying stuff on eBay, obviously. But yeah, this is going to stop the Joy-Con drift. Joy-Con drift for me has got crazy in this Joy-Con. It's the left one. Most people, it is the left one as well. But yeah, it's pretty much unusable at this point, so I'm going to replace it and I'm going to show you how. But before we get into that, I hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Yay!
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
And yeah, I'm doing a gift card giveaway on Amazon. I was going to do a case giveaway, but I know my channel is a bit more than just PC stuff, so I'm going to do a £40 gift card giveaway. It's going to be UK and Republic of Ireland only. And yeah, you'll see more details about that on the 100 subscriber special. Anyway, let's get into this. Okay, so let's get to the Joy-Con. Yes, it's changed colour. Don't ask questions. I fucked up, and you can see that at the end of the video. But anyway, so you'd need a tri-screw to get into the back. That's this one, but I'm using hex screws because I put my own screws in this. Well, not hex screws, quad screws. Phillips head I'm using. That's it. So you just undo the 4 screws on the back, like so. You might want to be careful though, because Nintendo screws are quite easy to thread because they use cheap quality stuff. So you get your little prying tool, put it in there. So put it in there, lift up, and then you can get that bad boy off. Okay, it's stuck on this side. There we go. Get that bad boy off. There we go. So then it opens up like this. Yep. So it opens up like this. So what you want to do is you lift the battery pack up and just unplug that. There's a little thing that's plugged into. You pull that out, and then there's just 3 screws you want to do here. Once again, so use the Phillips head for this. So there's one here, and one here. I've only got 2 of them in because, yeah, so I'll just show you one here, and one down here. Okay, so that's all unscrews undone. You can lift this bit of plastic up now. Make sure your screws don't do that and push it to the side. Where are my screws gone? They jumped out. There's one. Yeah, so you just got to be careful with the screws. There's one, and the other one should just be there. There it is. So you undo those 3 screws. Now you have access to this bad boy. Let's just zoom in on that. So that's what is the joystick. So that's got 2 screws holding it in. So there's a black ribbon cable here going from here to here, as you can see. So what we're going to do is you just want to lift up this flap here. It's a little flap, just want to lift it up and pull it out because we do not want to damage the ribbon cable, we just want it out of the way. So we'll push that to the back there so we can lift it up to get out of the way. So and there is a ribbon cable here as well connecting the joystick onto the Joy-Con. So you pull that off, you undo the screws for the Joy-Con, or joystick, sorry. There's 2, one there, one there. Pull that out. Make sure we don't lose the screws like I just did, but I can find them both. There's one there, and one there. Okay, so get your screws, get your new joystick. Here it's here. Put it in like so. Just be careful of ribbon cables because ribbon cables are very delicate. Oh. You do that ribbon cable up. Oh, not ribbon cable, you do that screw up. You do this screw up here. So do this one up as well. Don't drop the screw like I just did. So put that one in as well. This is Phillips head, by the way, I forgot to mention. Do that up. Okay, so that's all screwed in nicely. So you want to plug it back in here. So let's move that out of the way. Fold this back over. Put this ribbon cable back in. The one that you took all back down. So then you flip this back over. You have to screw this back down in the places I showed you. So there's the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So screw that back up. That's all in. Battery pack back in. So you just got to hover it above there. You need to make sure you plug it in. It's all plugged in. Push that back down. This back over the top, like so. And you get your screwdriver. This is the tri head again. Remember, tri head, not the Phillips head. And you just screw all 4 screws back in, or 3 if you're me, because I lost some. There we go, all back together. Lights all still working, and yeah, let's see if this bad boy still has drift. So there we go, the joystick works. I'm using it all fine. Let's see if it's still got drift. Launch up Animal Crossing. Okay, once this loads, so much went wrong in this video, but I tried and I think I reversed it all. Hopefully it teaches people how to do it, but just to make sure it all works. But yeah, so pretty much what happened was I had this casing on my Joy-Con. It ended up breaking, so I had to completely cut it off with a saw because it wouldn't come off. And then yeah, so that's why I had to put the old casing back on. But now that's all done. Let's just make sure there's no drift. The Joy-Con definitely feels different. I can tell it's a cheaper one compared to the Nintendo one. It's a lot more plasticky than rubbery, whereas the Nintendo one's a lot more rubbery. Let's see. So let's try and get drift in. So normally on the main Joy-Con, if you press left, it starts drifting, but this one's not at all. So there you go, I fixed it. I can go fishing Animal Crossing now, no troubles. So let's turn it off. So there we go, that's how to repair the joystick on the Joy-Con and stop drift. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Just remember, 100 subscribers, which I currently just hit. I am doing a giveaway on Amazon. So go into that, it'll be in the next video. I'll do the full information and everything and how to enter. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, boy.